Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by opening the Alcazar Center console to reveal the wireless charging pad. The Alcazar wireless pad sits in the center console about 3-5 inches from the cup holders. Check that the car ignition is on and the system shows the wireless charging icon. Remove metal plates or thick rugged cases to allow efficient 15W or 7.5W charging. Keep magnetic cards and key fobs away from the pad to avoid damage. Clean the pad surface with a dry cloth before placing any device. Place your phone flat on the pad, centering it for optimal coil alignment. Center your phone on the pad with the camera aligned toward the dash center. A small LED beside the pad will flash and turn solid to indicate charging. If the light flashes or charging stops, reposition the phone slightly forward or backward up to 1 inch. Avoid stacking coins or cards between the phone and pad while driving. Use the approved phone orientation, recommended by the vehicle manual, for best results. If charging does not start, restart the car and reseat the phone on the pad. Update the car infotainment firmware if wireless charging malfunctions persist. Check your phone battery settings for wireless power limits and enable full Kai mode if available. High temperature suspends charging. Park in shade, and let device cool before retrying. For faster charge, use phones that support 15W Kai charging and OEM cases only. Contact your dealer if the pad does not power even with multiple phones.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.